Section 1. Introduction. The Capstone Challenge. The Capstone Project. These two words send shivers down the spines of many IT students. It's the final boss battle of your academic journey. But fear not, for the Capstone Project is not a monster to be slain, but a mountain to be climbed. It's a chance to flex your intellectual muscles, to put your theoretical knowledge into practice, and to emerge from the experience a more confident and capable IT professional. In the realm of IT, capstone projects serve as a culmination of everything you've learned throughout your studies. They're your opportunity to demonstrate mastery of complex concepts, problem-solving skills, and technical proficiency. Think of it as building a bridge from the theoretical to the practical, from the classroom to the workplace. Employers are increasingly seeking graduates who possess not only theoretical knowledge, but also the practical skills to hit the ground running. Section 2. The Research Phase. Laying the foundation. Every successful journey begins with a single step, and in the world of capstone projects, that step is research. Before you write a single line of code or design a single interface, you need to lay a solid foundation of knowledge. This is where the research phase comes in, a critical period of exploration and discovery that will shape the direction of your entire project. The first order of business is to identify a problem worth solving. This could be anything from streamlining a business process to developing an innovative software solution. The key is to choose a topic that genuinely interests you, as your passion will fuel your motivation throughout the project. Explore current trends in the IT industry, brainstorm potential ideas with peers and professors, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Once you've identified a potential problem, it's time to dive deep into research. Familiarize yourself with existing solutions, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and identify areas for improvement or innovation. The more you know about your chosen topic, the better equipped you'll be to develop a truly outstanding capstone project. As you delve deeper into the development phase, you'll inevitably encounter new challenges and opportunities. Section 3. Planning your project. Blueprints for success. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? That's exactly what it's like tackling a capstone project without a plan. Planning is the architectural backbone of your project, providing structure, guidance, and a clear roadmap to success. Start by defining your project scope. What are the specific goals you aim to achieve? What features will your software product include? What are the boundaries of your project? Clearly defining your scope helps prevent scope creep. Next, break down your project into smaller, more manageable tasks. Having a structured plan not only makes the project less daunting, but also helps you track progress, identify potential roadblocks, and ensure you're on schedule to meet your deadlines. Thorough documentation not only helps you stay organized, but also serves as a valuable resource for future reference and for communicating your project to professors, mentors, and potential employers. Section 4. Development, bringing your vision to life. With a solid foundation of research and a well-defined plan in place, it's time for the rubber to meet the road. The moment you transform your vision from an abstract concept into a tangible reality. The development phase is where the magic happens, where lines of code transform into functional software, where design elements coalesce into an intuitive user interface. Choose the right tools for the job. Familiarize yourself with different programming languages, software development methodologies, and project management tools. The development phase is an iterative process, so be prepared to adjust your approach, refine your code, and make necessary changes along the way. Testing is not an afterthought, it's an integral part of the development process. Regularly test your code, identify and fix bugs, and ensure that your software functions as intended. Implement user testing to gather feedback on the usability and functionality of your product. Don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. The development phase can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding to see your hard work come to fruition. Section 5. Real-world applications, capstones in action. The beauty of capstone projects lies not only in their academic value, but also in their real-world applicability. They provide a glimpse into the challenges and rewards of developing software solutions for actual users and demonstrate the practical implications of theoretical concepts learned in the classroom. Imagine a capstone project that focuses on developing a mobile app to help local farmers sell their produce directly to consumers. Such a project would require students to not only master programming and app development, but also to understand the intricacies of user experience design, e-commerce integration, and data security. The end result? A functional app that benefits both farmers and consumers, while providing students with invaluable experience in a real-world context. By tackling real-world problems, students gain a deeper understanding of the power of IT to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and make a positive difference in the world. Section 6. Showcasing your skills, the portfolio boost. In the competitive job market for IT professionals, a well-crafted portfolio is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. And what better way to bolster your portfolio than with a shining example of your skills and ingenuity, your Capstone Project. It's a tangible testament to your abilities, a showcase for your technical prowess and problem-solving skills. Think of your Capstone Project as the centerpiece of your portfolio, a conversation starter that piques the interest of potential employers. Create a dedicated section on your portfolio website or online resume that showcases your project in detail. Include screenshots, code samples, and a compelling project description that highlights the problem you solved, the technologies you used, and the results you achieved. Consider creating a video demonstration of your project, showcasing its features and functionality in action. By showcasing it effectively in your portfolio, you transform it from an academic endeavor into a powerful tool for career advancement. Section 7. Overcoming challenges, navigating the capstone maze. The road to capstone completion is rarely a straight and narrow path. Like any challenging endeavor, it's bound to be paved with obstacles, unexpected detours, and moments of self-doubt. But fear not, for these challenges are not insurmountable roadblocks. They're opportunities for growth, learning, and resilience building. Time management is often the biggest hurdle for capstone students. Balancing coursework, part-time jobs, and personal commitments with the demands of a complex project can be a juggling act. The key is to prioritize, to break down the project into smaller tasks, and to create a realistic schedule that you can stick to. Don't underestimate the importance of taking breaks, recharging, and seeking support when you need it. Technical difficulties are par for the course in any IT project, and your capstone is no exception. You'll encounter bugs, experience software glitches, and face moments where you question your coding abilities. Don't let these challenges discourage you. Embrace them as learning opportunities. Consult online resources, seek help from professors or mentors, and remember that even the most experienced developers encounter technical roadblocks. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Section 8. Collaboration and mentorship keys to success. While the Capstone Project is often seen as an individual pursuit, it's important to remember that you don't have to go it alone. Collaboration and mentorship can be invaluable assets throughout your journey, providing support, guidance, and fresh perspectives. If you're working on a team-based capstone project, effective communication is key. Establish clear roles and responsibilities, hold regular team meetings, and utilize project management tools to track progress and share updates. Seeking mentorship from experienced professionals can also be incredibly beneficial. A mentor can provide industry insights, offer technical guidance, and serve as a sounding board for your ideas. Embrace the opportunity to work with others, to learn from those with more experience, and to contribute your own unique skills and perspectives to the capstone journey. Section 9. The impact of IT-405, a student's perspective. From the trenches of IT-405, where countless lines of code are written and innovative software solutions are born, emerges a chorus of student voices, each echoing the transformative impact of the Capstone Project experience. For many, IT-405 is more than just a course. It's a rite of passage, a crucible that forges raw talent into industry-ready professionals. Before IT-405, coding felt like a purely academic exercise, says Sarah, a recent graduate. But the Capstone Project forced me to think like a real-world developer, to consider user needs, to grapple with real-world constraints. The mentorship I received during IT-405 was invaluable, adds David, another graduate. My mentor, an experienced software engineer, provided guidance, shared industry insights, and helped me navigate the inevitable challenges that arose. The impact of IT-405 extends far beyond the technical skills acquired.
Section 10, Conclusion, Embracing the Capstone Journey. The Capstone Project. A challenge? Absolutely. A source of stress? Perhaps at times. But above all, it's an opportunity, a chance to prove yourself, to stretch your abilities,
and to emerge from the experience a more confident and capable IT professional. Embrace the journey with all its twists and turns, its triumphs and setbacks. Remember, the Capstone Project is not just about the final product. It's about the journey, the skills you acquire, the problems you solve, and the growth you experience along the way. So go forth, embrace the challenge, and create something amazing.